Good morning everybody. In last period we see plant fiber, in that core will be completed. Then what happened? Cotton, and third one jute will be completed. Core can come from a coconut palm, so it is very easy. Now we start animal fiber. Second point, plant fiber complete. In plant fiber three only points include, and in animal fiber we continue now. Wool and silk means in animal fiber includes wool and silk. First we can continue wool. Okay, animal fiber, it includes wool and silk. Everyone knows about the silk also and wool also. First we continue with wool. What means by wool? How it comes? Where it comes? From where? So first point, wool. Wool, it obtains from hair of animals like sheep, then rabbit, deer, etc. First point I will write here. It obtains from animals. Only this much is enough. When you write in paper or in notebook, you can write it in details. It comes from animals like sheep, deer, rabbit, etc. Then second point, the process of removing wool from the animals by using clippers, that process is known as shearing. What? Shearing. What means? Removing hair. Yes, na? Or removing wool from animals. This process is called shearing. Shearing means removing of wool from that specific animals for use is called as shearing. Don't forget, removing of wools from the animals called as shearing. After shearing, wool packed in bales. What? Wool can packed in bales. Don't forget. Packing in bales. It will be removed from the animals, but that wool can packed in the bales. Then what happens? That bales or that wool can be first cleaned, combed and separate into spoon into a fiber. What? It is packed and after that it will be cleaned and combed, separate. Okay, removing will be there, then packing will be there, then this bales goes to the machine. For what reason? Through machine they will be cleaned, they will be combed and they will be separate in the spoon of a fiber. Then this fiber which is clean, which is combed, this fiber is woven to make woolen clothes. Okay, the fiber used to make woolen. Understood? This fiber which is clean, which is combed, will be used to make woolen clothes or woolen. Okay, and you know woolen clothes means sweaters will be there. In these conditions if we use it, these sweaters can made by the wool which is get from our animals, which is sheep, which is rabbit, which is deer, anyone. So this type of clothes we can use it in the rainy season, in the winter season. So wool retains air. Why we use this only? Why we not use other material? Because this woolen material can retain air. They can stop air in that level only and they not allow our body heat to escape and thus warm the body. The air can stop there. Our body temperature that wool can maintain. So we cannot feel very spouty, so they can use in cold weather. We cannot feel cold, we cannot try it, so we cannot feel means unhealthy, so we can use it in this season. So wool can retain air, they not pass the air in our body temperature they can maintain it, so we cannot feel cool, and we use it in this season. So in cold weather we use it. Where it first started? In Australia, leading producer, then New Zealand, then China, then India. First wool, where it is producing? First Australia, leading producer. Leading producer is Australia. Okay, don't forget. Leading producer of wool is Australia. After Australia, New Zealand will be there, and after that our India will be there. Then use it to make upholstery, carpets, felt, socks, etc. etc. You know the use of wool, so don't need to write it. The use of wool is everyone knows. So last concept is only the use. I don't write, you know it. Use of wool. Making sweaters, shoes, baby shoes, socks, etc. etc. Means here we finish. Wool, the animal fiber. What means by wool? What means by shearing? Wool, it obtains from the animal. Shearing, from the animals we can separate the wool. It is called shearing. Then that removing wool can packed in bales, and that bales can go for cleaning, combing in the machines, and this cleaned combed fiber, wool fiber used for the other materials like socks, like sweaters, etc. First leading producer of wool is Australia. After Australia, New Zealand will be there, and then India. And wool is used for making number of clothes. Everyone knows it. And why we use it? To obtain our body temperature for cold weather. Then next, silk will be there. How the silk? I love this. Second is silk. Short but sweet we take it. Silk. Second point. In silk, how it made? It obtained from a cocoon of the silkworm. Means first is silkworm insects. Silkworm to cocoon. Silkworm is an insect, and from that silkworm cocoon will be there, and from that cocoon we get the silk. These insects feed on the leaves of mulberry trees. Mulberry trees, on that trees these silkworms are present. They grow on these trees. These secrets of a silk which spins around itself. Means that silk which we want, that silk is around the body of that silkworm. It is called cocoon. Each silkworm spins a continuous thread of 800 meter long to make a cocoon. Means one cocoon is equal to 800 meter silk. Okay, don't forget. 800 meter silk. Then cocoon is boiled. How we can get silk? First what happens? You know silk where it is present? Cocoon. Around the cocoon the silk thread will be continuous. So first cocoon will be boiled, and then it kills the silkworm. Cocoon boiled. After boiling, what happens? That worm killed in the hot water, and remaining part is silk. So sericulture. This is called sericulture. What? Okay, from these insects, the silk we get, this production is called sericulture. That cocoon will be boiled in a hot water, and then that cocoon, the worm can completely die. We get remaining part is silk. This is called sericulture. Sericulture means production of silk. But this silk is very expensive. These insects we cannot found easily. So it is first used and developed in China. Where? In China. Then about 7,000 years ago, then it come to India, then Middle East, and then Europe and Africa. Means first it is made into China, produced into in China. In China, first production. Don't forget. Then what happened? Silk root, where it is? Silk roots comes in Europe and Asia. Okay, don't forget silk root is in Europe and Asia. Many people says that. What they says? It is not right to use silk. Why? Because silk is bounded with the cocoon. Cocoon wants 800-meter long silk type. When we want silk, we can dye them, we can kill them. We kill the silkworms, we kill the cocoon, and then we get the silk. Because we can boil the cocoon in the hot water, then the silkworm completely died and we get the silk. So many people say it is not right to use the silk, as silkworms killed in a boiling water to obtain silks. Means we can totally avoid this, but we can want it. This expensive, so we can do it. So some people can say it, we can't think about all these things. So in your lesson, up to this animal fiber we complete. In this wool and silk will be there. Minimum 6 to 7 words will be there. You can read it. Silk and wool completes here. Remaining part you can see synthetic fibers and fibers to fabric. Read it carefully. Thank you all of you.